What's good guys, it's your man Harrison back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I caught 360 pips on gold using a reversal pattern. Let's get right into it. Just a quick side note, I know I need a trim, man, but the way things are going right now, you can't be going to the barbers, man. Can't be going to the barbers right now, so looks like your boy's gonna have to ride out this for a very long time. Anyway, let's get straight into the video. So let's get straight into this markup. So this is gold, man. So this was a sweet trade, man. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys, first of all, how many pips I caught up in here. It was roughly about 360 pips, but guys, this is how it was done. So this is one thing that you have to bear in mind. Gold obviously had a massive drop down. You can see it was just dropping. It's been dropping. It's been dropping, family, okay? And so the moment I started to see this little pattern right here, this is a sign that price is about to reverse. So this is known as a descending channel. Price is still getting lower, as you can see, it's still getting lower, all right? Lower lows and lower highs, as you can see, but the sells are getting shorter and shorter, but the sellers are losing strength, you know? So check this out. Look at all of this. Massive sell down. Massive sell down. You can see it. Massive sell down, okay? But once you start to see it fizzling away, this is how you know price is going to reverse, right? So you can see lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. But this time, you can see that it failed to stay within this channel. So that means that the buyers now have managed to take control of the market and they're about to push price up. So let's talk about entries now, family, okay? So when it comes to entries, this is what you want to do. You want to wait for the break of this channel, which shows that the buyers are taking control of the market again, and the retest. So for price to come back down to retest this descending channel, okay? The moment you get that, guys, you are in, okay? You're in. Some people do this. They enter in here, okay, right here. So these are the more riskier guys because, you know, price could continue to come all the way down. And so your stop loss will be beneath the slow. Or you can enter right at the very top here. So the people that like to jump in early, their stop loss is really big most of the time, because check this out. If I jumped in here at the retest of this channel, that means my stop loss would need to be beneath the slow about 130 pips, yeah? 130 pip stop loss, and you know, ain't nobody gonna do a 130 pip stop loss. Nobody, okay? So now check this out. If I entered in off this zone right here, the break and the retest of this zone right here, boom, on a 5-minute time frame, my stop loss now has been reduced to 64 pips. 64 pips, family. So we've reduced it by more than half because we were patient in these markets. So you know these markets take from the impatient and give to the patient, right? So when you're patient, you make a lot more money because your risk is a lot smaller, right? So that could have been an entry here. This could have been an entry here. Or if you wanted to play ultra safe, which is what I did, okay? I waited for the very top of this descending channel to be broken here, retested. I didn't enter when it broke the channel. I waited for it to come back down. As you can see, the very top of the zone to retest it right here, yeah, and then your boy entered. And this trade, check this out, I wanted it to go a lot higher than this, but it started reversing. Okay, so it went up about 360 pips, but thank God it did not hit my stop loss, and it eventually went back up to go and tap TP. This is beautiful, guys. So this is known as a descending channel. It means that price is gonna reverse soon, okay? And all you have to do is position yourself, you know, play it safe, guys. You don't need to be jumping in early. You can wait for the very top of the zone to be broken, or you can wait for confirmation off the trend line, which is this candlestick right here. So the confirmation is the break, the retest, and then another candle moving up. That's your confirmation. Or riskier traders enter here, or really safe traders enter here. And as you can see, we still caught good pips, 360 to 80 pips, family. So let me show you something on the daily chart as well, yeah, because I don't just randomly look for this stuff. I look for these reversal patterns or these continuation patterns at certain points. So I'm gonna show you why now. So let's check out the daily chart, okay? So now check this out, family. Look at this. So what do you see here, guys? I've showed you guys about this. This is the bullish flag. This is a continuation pattern. So all it is this a massive expansion up, then a messy correction down. You get a break and retest, and then you're in. You ride it to the very top. Okay, this could have been your TP. Here could have been your TP, or here. So what I did now is this. Once I saw price coming back down to retest this zone right here, is a zone because price has bounced off of here before once, false break, another bounce, multiple bounces in here, multiple bounces in here. This is a very strong zone, family. So I knew that price was going to come back to test this zone. So I didn't jump in when it got to that zone, by the way. I didn't jump in when it got to that zone. I started looking for reversal patterns at that zone. So obviously price smashed straight through. So your boy wasn't in that. So this is when now I went into the lower time frames. I went into the
4 hour to see what I could see. Couldn't see nothing at the time. Then eventually I got all the way to the 5-minute chart where I could see that price was doing this. It was producing that descending channel pattern, and I saw it and I grabbed it and I took it. So that was powerful, absolutely powerful. So you can see that once price gets into my area, I don't just jump in and wait for confirmations. This was a very, very nice confirmation. I can see a descending channel. I saw a breaks and retest here. That's good. I saw a push up. I saw a break and a retest here. Played it safe and it worked. Do you understand? So beautiful stuff. Guys, I'm going to show you one more descending channel, family. Look at this. It's as simple as this. Don't worry about this stuff up here, man. Don't worry about this stuff up here, okay? You know what? I might be looking to sell gold, actually. Just for a little moment. In fact, you know what, guys? I didn't even come to talk about this. But look at this. This is a bearish flag. You see it? I don't even need to draw it up for you guys, but I'm going to do it anyway. What do you see here? Look, push. Yeah, bearish flag, continuation. So the moment I get a break and a retest of this flag anywhere here, your boy will be selling it down. So for now, I'm not even looking at that, so that can go ahead and do what it wants to do. This is what I really want to show you guys right now. And guys, look, you get those sweet little nuggets from me as well. You get those sweet little nuggets from me. So check this out, guys. What do you see down here? This is another descending channel. And what do you see? You got the break and retest of the descending channel, or the break and retest of this zone. Boom, you're in. Once you're in, I didn't catch this one, by the way. I did not catch this, okay? But this move was a 740 pip move just from a descending channel, guys. So this is the power of trading a descending channel. There's tons of pips to be caught in these markets. There's tons of pips. This was how I was able to catch 360 pips from this simple descending channel pattern. Absolutely powerful. Alright guys, so it's the next day now, and I'm going to show you another example of a descending channel. If I'm on the monthly time frame and I can see price was at my zone, then I zoom into a lower time frame and start waiting for reversal patterns to occur, right? Price was down here. Price was down here yesterday. You guys know that I was in GBPUSD for the buy. It went up for about 100 pips, all right? So I'm going to show you why I jumped into GBPUSD for the buy at the time. You can see that on a monthly time frame, price was at this low. It was at this low, okay? At these lows right here. So when it gets to these lows, you don't just jump in straight because price could continue to plummet down, right? What you want to do is you want to go into a smaller time frame. So I went all the way to the 50-minute time frame, and then this is what I can identify, right? So as you guys know, I was in this trade. I was hoping for it to at least get up to here, but it didn't. It came back down to my stop profit, right? When price was at those lows, yeah, when price was at those lows down here, I'm gonna quickly change this so you guys can see it better. So when price was at these lows down here, so this is the low that it was at, yeah, I started to see a descending channel forming. The sellers started to phase out. Can you see it? There was some buying action, some selling action, buying action, and selling action, yeah? So this is known as a descending channel again. Because it was at those lows, yeah, I managed to jump in here, you know, for a little cheeky buy, all right? With a really, really small stop loss. It was like a 10 pip stop loss, right? And then, so that was cool, yeah? So this is more risky, you know, and I don't heavily advise this because sometimes you do get stopped out. So yeah, thank God I didn't get stopped out on that one there. But what I like is when price breaks that channel, comes back down for a retest, and then you're in, okay? So you can see right here, yeah, descending channel. And then when it comes to entry, enter here if you're a riskier trader. You end. Some people enter at the break of the flag. I like to wait for the break of the flag and a retest of the flag. You see it here. So if you're jumped in right here, then you would have taken home at least how many pips? 77 pips, family. Okay, 77 pips, 77 pips, literally from the break and retest of this descending channel. So whenever price gets into your zone and you're on a higher time frame, what you want to do is you want to zoom all the way down into a lower time frame to get like a really good tight entry, right? That's what you want to do. So you want to start seeing reversal patterns. So you know, continuation patterns are like the bullish flags and the bearish flags. Reversal patterns are like ascending channels and descending channels. So as you can see, I was holding my position, holding my position, right? And I even added a second position down here, all right, when it came back down to retest. The price then moved up. I really wanted it to hit my TP, you know, that would have been sweet. I can just see that there was a little zone here that was respected before. That would have been nice, a nice 180 pip move, yeah. But price did come back down to stop me out here and stop me out here too. What I really wanted to show you guys was just the power of trading something like this, a pattern like this, a descending channel. Keep it nice and simple, guys. No need for no indicators, no need for nothing, yeah. Literally, all I have right now is 2 lines, 1 and 2. You understand? And I was able to catch 100 pips from this bottom here, all the way 115 pips actually. And then this move would have been a 77 pip move, but obviously they both hit my stop profit anyway, which was annoying, but it happens. Like, this is what the market does. You understand? So that was how I was able to catch all these pips, you know, using all these like reversal patterns and stuff like that at these zones.
Before I end this video, I'm going to give a few shout outs to some of you guys, man. You guys have been supporting, so your boy's going to be shouting you guys out, yeah? So the first person I'm going to give a shout out to is OV Studios, they said, man, you're amazing, dropping all the golden nuggets for free. Yeah, I'm just trying to make sure that you guys are winning too, man, especially in these times right now, man. We need to be supporting each other and uplifting each other, positive vibes only, yeah? Next person is Marvin Lucero. He said, Mr. Harrison, you are a blessing. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Next person is Kofi Apia. He said, great content, bro. Doing my best, man. You know, your boy's trying to get to 5K subscribers right now. So guys, go down below, hit that subscribe button, and let's get your boy to 5K subscribers. Next person I want to give a shout out to is Sun Jin Hong. Okay, he said, I like this kind of educational videos. Yes. You know, I decided to drop a few educational videos. You know, normally I do like vlogs and like family stuff, but I thought, you know what? Let me drop a few educational videos. Let's get you guys learning. Let's get you guys winning. I want the whole family to win. All right, guys. So that's the end of the video. Hopefully you guys liked the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We are on the road to 5K and we are so close. And I know you guys can do it because I know you guys are lit like that. So guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and remember to turn on my notifications so you guys are aware whenever I release these baggers. And until next time, don't sleep, fam.